Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again for a new chapter, The Honor of Truth. The Baldwin family is actually awaiting the return of his two head. Who is the head there? Robert. Robert. Where was Mr. Guzman that evening? In jail court. What did Mr. Guzman offer Mr. Robert? Money. How did the family member of Mr. Goward come to know that there was something wrong in the bank through the print media? What did Mr. Gerson show in the drawer to Mr. Robert? Notes of local currency. How many witnesses were there against Mr. Gerson in the case? None of above. What was the charge against Mr. Gerson? Mr. Gerson was charged with wreck in the bank. What was the supreme compliment? In the supreme compliment, that of getting the position of third national. What is a third national? Third national is an organization under the presidency of Mr. Marshall. What formal relationship did Mr. Robert and Mr. Grissom have? Mr. Robert and Mr. Grissom were friends since childhood. They worked together. How old were their friendship? Their friendship was from their boyhood. What favor did Mr. Grissom want from Mr. Robert? Mr. Grissom wanted from Robert that he could say in the court, I could not remember. Why were the family member anxious? The family member were anxious because Mr. Grissom had called Mr. Robert, who was in jail. He was so late. He was late also. How many persons as witness were available there against Mr. Grisman? Only one person, Mr. Robert, was available there against Mr. Guzman. What was the crash? The crash was a wreck in the bank. Mr. Guzman had conned something with the bank account and took the money. Why did the family members support Mr. Robert in the beginning? The family members supported Mr. Robert in the beginning that he was not on the right path. They thought that this bank job would not disturb. He could contribute to the money. Contribute to their work. Why did the family members think that Mr. Guzman did not had done anything wrong? The family member thought it's because Guzman was a sincere and honest fellow. It was satisfied. He was satisfied also. Why did Mr. Marshall decided to offer a position to Mr. Robert? Mr. Marshall decided to offer a position to Mr. Robert because he is impressed of his honesty. He was told by Mr. Gisman when Mr. Marshall went to meet him, there is a jail. He was very happy to know all this. Why did Mr. Guzman confess to Mr. Marshall? Why Mr. Guzman confessed to Mr. Marshall? Because Mr. Guzman was normally depressed. He offered the bride to Mr. Robert, who refused to go with wrong. So Guzman confessed at last. Why did Mr. Robert think that he would not be able to help Mr. Guzman? Mr. Robert thought that he would not be able. He thought that he would say, I do not remember. In the court, his throat would be choked. He could not tell lie. He had been living an honest life and he could not do that. I will go to my grave clean. Elaborate Mr. Robert's statement. Mr. Robert had been very sincere, honest, and loyal to his job. When his family member came to know that he has offered a bribe of $100,000, they were all pressurized him. They told him that it would be a very big amount. He could start his own business with that money. That all that he said to do nothing. Mr. Roberts said, very sad to know all this. He had come to know about his family members. He had very surprised over it. He told that it is a prejudice in the court. It's very difficult. Its throat will be choked. He want them all that nobody has raised fingers on his honesty. He had a social reputation. He did not want to die with a strain. He could go into the grave clean. Thank you.